Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Fujifilm cameras on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Fujifilm XT5. The Fujifilm XT5 represents the latest addition to Fujifilm's highly acclaimed XT series, renowned for seamlessly blending classic aesthetics with cutting-edge digital camera technology. Embracing a vintage charm reminiscent of film cameras, the XT5 features traditional dials on the top, offering swift access to ISO and shutter speed settings. Despite its retro appearance, this camera stands at the forefront of digital imaging with a remarkable 42MP sensor, delivering exceptional image quality. Noteworthy capabilities include 10-bit 4:2 video recording at 6:2K/30p and a 3-way tilting touchscreen, enhancing flexibility for image composition. Suited for both professionals and enthusiasts, the XT5 showcases Fujifilm's commitment to excellence in compact and lightweight camera design, challenging misconceptions about the capabilities of APS-C sensors when compared to full-frame counterparts. Number 2. Fujifilm GFX100 Siemens. Fujifilm has achieved a remarkable feat in the realm of medium-format photography with the GFX100 Siemens, setting a precedent for affordability without compromising on image quality, autofocus speed, or premium construction. Priced several $1,000s below the GFX100 this camera makes the luxury of a 100MP sensor more accessible. While it lacks a few video features found in the newer model, those unused to them may find the GFX100 Siemens an exceptional value proposition. The original GFX100, the GFX100 Siemens boasts a more compact body without sacrificing sensor resolution. Impressively, it delivers outstanding dynamic range, tonality, and color depth, coupled with sensational resolution and the flexibility to crop as needed. Number 3. Fujifilm XH2 Siemens. The Fujifilm XH2 Siemens has earned high praise from our reviewer, being hailed as one of the best APS-C hybrid cameras ever made. This accolade underscores the camera's exceptional capabilities, particularly tailored for sports and wildlife photographers who demand swift and precise performance to capture dynamic scenes. With Fujifilm's extensive range of well-crafted lenses, catering to a variety of focal lengths, users can leverage the 1.5x crop factor of APS-C sensors for enhanced reach without compromising on image quality. The XH2 Siemens boasts an impressive 40 fps continuous shooting speed with minimal screen blackout, complemented by in-body image stabilization to ensure steadiness when using telephoto lenses. Designed for professional handling, the XH2 Siemens features a substantial grip for secure hold, facilitating comfortable shooting with larger lenses. Number 4. Fujifilm XS20. The Fujifilm XS20 has captured my admiration during testing, and I'm convinced it stands as one of the finest cameras available for a broad audience. While it shares the outstanding X-Trans 4 sensor with the XS10, the XS20 distinguishes itself with a significant enhancement from Fujifilm's new X Processor 5. This upgrade not only brings forth the best in Fujifilm's autofocus recognition and tracking capabilities, but also elevates the camera's video performance to a level typically associated with higher-priced models. Despite its compact size, the XS20 packs a punch in the video department, supporting 6K video with open gate functionality and offering a variety of codecs for detailed video editing. The camera excels in subject recognition and tracking in videos, incorporating features like face recognition and specialized vlogging functionalities. Number 5. Fujifilm GFX100. In straightforward terms, the Fujifilm GFX100 stands out as one of my favorite cameras based on my review. The image quality produced by Fujifilm's latest sensor is nothing short of amazing, leaving me consistently captivated by the incredible detail captured in my photos. What took me by surprise was the camera's user-friendliness. Despite its body being comparable in size to some DSLRs or larger full-frame mirrorless cameras, it manages to provide up to 8 stops of in-body image stabilization, IBIS, a feature that has become indispensable for me. The GFX100 too should serve as a compelling choice for every professional photographer in the portrait, fashion, product, and landscape genres. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.